In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Salesforce org. Whether you're a developer looking to experiment with new features or someone interested in exploring Salesforce's capabilities, setting up your own Salesforce organization is a great way to get started. Now let's dive right into the process. We'll begin our journey at the Salesforce Developer Edition page. It's crucial to ensure you're on the right page, so use the link provided, which will lead you to a sign-up page for the Developer Edition with Agentforce and Data Cloud. This is the starting point for the creation of our organization. The Developer Edition is a free version of Salesforce designed specifically for testing and development purposes. It provides you with the complete Salesforce platform, acting as an ideal sandbox environment where you can explore and experiment with abandon without any risk or cost. Now that we've confirmed we're on the correct page, let's move to the next step, which involves filling out the registration form with your details. This form will request standard information, such as your first name, last name, email, and company name. Remember to provide a valid email address, as Salesforce will dispatch crucial setup information to it. However, if you don't have a company name, there's no need to worry. Using your personal name or something simple suffices. The form also includes fields for your role and country. Your role selection doesn't need to be spot on. Just pick the closest match to your use case from the available options in the drop-down menu. As for the country, simply scroll through the list and select your current location. After entering your details into all the requested fields, you'll notice a checkbox to agree to Salesforce's terms and conditions. It's wise to review these terms, as understanding your rights and responsibilities on the platform is important. Once you're comfortably informed, you can proceed to click the Sign Me Up button. Clicking this button submits your registration, leading us to the next task, which involves checking your email inbox for a welcome email from Salesforce. Should you not spot it in your inbox, do take the time to examine your spam or junk folders, as automatic emails occasionally find their way there. Inside this email, you'll find a link designed to verify your email address and activate your new Salesforce Developer Edition org. Simply click the link and follow any prompted instructions to set your password and select a security question. And just like that, your Salesforce org is ready to use. This intuitive setup opens the door to Salesforce's comprehensive suite, where you can delve into creating custom apps, testing automation, and so much more. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a new Salesforce org, your own slice of the platform, established in just 5 minutes. I hope this walkthrough has been beneficial for you, and I encourage you to dive into the wide range of features Salesforce has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.